Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at something I've been genuinely excited to try out, the FNIRSI SAG-55, a portable hot air gun that aims to bring proper rework performance into compact handheld form factor. The SAG-55 offers 20 levels of airflow, adjustable temperature from 100 to 450 Celsius degrees, and it's designed to be used just like a traditional hot air rework station, but without the bulky base unit. For a portable tool, the specs look really promising, and I'm very curious to see how well it handles IC removal, heat shrink, and quick field repairs. On paper, it really feels like a tool that could bridge the gap between portability and bench-level usability. And I'm honestly excited to finally get the chance to review it. If it performs as advertised, this might become one of those grab-and-go repair tools you keep on your bench or throw in a field kit. Before we jump in, just a quick note: FNIRSI sent the SAG-55 for review, but there was no payment involved. I'm not required to follow any script, and the review you're watching is entirely my own opinion. As always, FNIRSI will see this video at the same time you do when it goes live on YouTube. A quick thank you to FNIRSI for sending this device over, but most importantly, a big thank you to you, my viewers, who are the true sponsor of this channel and support my work simply by using the affiliate access links on the screen or in the video description whenever you shop on AliExpress or Amazon. It won't cost you a cent more, but it makes a big difference and keeps this channel running. Alright, let's power it up and see what the FNIRSI SAG-55 hot air gun is capable of. Looking for fast, reliable manufacturing services? PCBWay has you covered. From high-quality PCB prototyping and assembly to precision CNC machining, they deliver professional results trusted by engineers worldwide. But here's the real highlight: PCBWay's advanced 3D printing services. This month they are offering amazing promotions on TPU flexible printing. Perfect for durable, flexible prototypes, wearables, and custom designs. Whether it's PCBs, CNC, or cutting-edge 3D printing, PCBWay brings your idea to life, affordably and fast. Check out PCBWay today and take advantage of their TPU flexible printing deals. Let's now see how the FNIRSI SAG-55 is delivered. It has some specs in the back. We have a power supply also delivered, a stand, and a cable. Yeah, it seems that's what they sent. Let's open it and see. Nice, seems very nice packed. First thing we have is the power station. Let me take also this power supply attached to it. Okay, we have the normal FNIRSI card. And yeah, let's put this down. We have here the stand and only one tip for the hot air station, for what I can see. Yeah, that's it. Okay, this looks very good. Okay, and this goes there. Let's start with the user manual. We have a small user manual with color, even so. Seems organized with infographics, so very nice work. The letters are a bit small for me, but we have it on PDF on the website also, so no worries. The user manual, it's in English and Chinese only. We have also a power cable. This one is for Europe, the ESC connector also, and the hot air station handle and a power supply attached to it, delivered. Seems very nice, this power supply. And we have also this handle holder. Let's pass to the first impressions. As first impressions, let me start with this beautiful hot air handle holder, all metal, very sturdy, and with a very nice design. We have a holder also here for this hot air handle tips. And yeah, it's a pity it comes only with one tip, but other than that, the holder is amazing. It's a very nice piece of art. It doesn't matter much if this doesn't work as it should, but in terms of product, it's a very nice product to have. Other than that, we have also the handle, that in this case is the all hot air station. It is quite big, it's a big device. It's not heavy. I was expecting to be heavier, but it's not heavy. It's not bad at all to work if everything considered. We have a good gripping position. In terms of the cable to the power supply, we have around 120 centimeters. So it's enough. This is all plastic, not heavy, as I told you before. We have 4 buttons. This one in the middle seems to be the power button, and then we have some selection buttons here on the top. A TFT screen on the top also, and that's it. Let's see how this works. And like I previously thought it, this is not the power button. This has other functions. To power this up, we have to press for a while here on the stop button. Let's do this. And it will boot up. We want English. Okay. And immediately starts blowing air. And to enter the menu, double click here on the stop twice. And we are able to enter the menu. In the menu, we have the auto off with no power off, 5, 10 or 15 minutes. The second option is whenever you start heating, if you want to show a confirmation message or not. Right now it's disabled. Also we have the units with Celsius degrees or Fahrenheit degrees, the language Chinese or English, and the shortcut basically is presets. Let's select this one. On channel 1 we have wind speed of 10, of a maximum of 20, and a temperature of 300 degrees. Okay, let's go back. I don't want to change anything right now. And before leaving, you have 3 presets that you can configure. Let's go back again to the menu. Next, we have the steps. Every time you increase or decrease manually the temperature, it will increase in 25 degrees. This is configurable also. And you have also the standby temperature. This temperature can go as low as 70 degrees and as high as 100 degrees. Okay. What else? We have the cooling. Right now is activated. This cooling is whenever you put here on the holder or you do a shutdown of the device, it will start to throw a much higher speed of cool air to quicker cool down the device. And next we have the temperature calibration. Let me go here. I will not start this because it will start immediately heating up, but if I press the stop button, it will start heating, as I told you, but it will also allow you to select with the direction keys if the registered temperature is higher or lower than the 120 degrees, or 220, 320, or 420 degrees. Okay, let me go out. Okay, what else? We have the brightness right now. It's at the minimum, so the colors will be nice in the screen for you. And we have the reset and the about. In terms of the about, this is the version 1.2. To go back to the main menu, just hold for a bit and we are back to the main menu. Okay, let's now see how this works while heating up. I'm gonna take this out of the holder. Okay, I have it on my hand to start heating, but since this throws hot air with very high temperatures, what I'm going to do is put it a bit to the side so the hot air is dissipated while working. Let's press any key. As you can see, it is already heating up to 300 degrees. I will lower the temperature for now. Let me lower 100. It will start lowering right away. You have this red light, well, right now it's a kind of orange, going to green. that will show you the temperature while it's working. This button basically will allow you to exchange between the channels or the presets, and if you do a long press it will start sending cool air. Do you see the fan in the screen changing to blue? If I'll take it out, it now is again throwing hot air, and it is red. Right now, and since the temperature is 300 degrees, let me see if I'm not burning anything on my desk. Not yet. Since the temperature is 300 degrees, this button has this light at red warning you of that. Okay, so what else? We can change manually, as I already show you, the temperature. Okay, and pressing the middle button here, the stop, you will select the fan speed, the airflow speed. Okay, let me increase it up to 20. I don't know if you can hear, but yeah, the flow is much higher. And let's take it to the minimum. It makes almost no sound. Yeah, and still is at 250 degrees. I'm gonna press again in the preset. It will take you to 300 degrees very quickly. Okay, what is the second one? So it seems that every preset is with 10 in terms of airflow, at 300 degrees in terms of temperature. Let me now do something. Okay, this is the cool down screen. It will take the temperature as low as 80 degrees and then we'll shut the device off. Okay, let me just wait a bit.
A few moments later.
As you can see right now, we have the green on this indicator. To show you how the hot air station works using this holder, let's power it up again. When you power it up, it will stay on that mode that needs to press a key to start. And if you press a key, it will say that is in standby. When it is in standby, just by removing it from the holder, it will start. Okay, just put it back on the holder. And this is the premium holder. There is a one much cheaper that is without all this metal, only to put on the wall, and it's different. While it is on the holder, let me take it out again, just to show you. Okay, it's heating up at 300 degrees. And when you put it on a holder, you see here that will have this sleep symbol saying that will enter standby at 80 degrees Celsius, the temperature. There is a second position that you can use with this holder, that is putting at rest in here, but in this case it will not enter standby mode. As you can see, it's producing hot air. This is all metal, so no problem at all with melting something in it. So this was the handle holder usage. Let's move on to the next test. I have this Sugon S196 for quite a while, and I didn't had yet the chance to test the hot air function, so everything is ready. Let's start testing. I want to test first with 120 degrees. Okay, let's move this to heat gun. Okay, and he had a little of overshoot. Let's see now what is the temperature. So we are at 120 degrees, very nice. It oscillates a bit, it compensates again. Yeah, but it's nearly 120 degrees, very nice. It's okay. And now I will take it to 200, oops, not here, to 220 degrees. Those are the temperatures used for calibration, so that's the ones I'm testing. Okay, so at 220 degrees, it has a bit of difference, but it's always oscillating. It's almost a spot on, happy with it. Okay, so oscillates between the temperature around 220 degrees. Let's take it to 320. Okay, so the temperature rises pretty fast and it says it's stable on that temperature, but as you can see on the thermometer, it takes a while to get there and oscillates also a bit. So yeah, it is there. It is there. It is practically a spot on. Very nice. Yeah, spot on. Okay, let's take it now to 420 degrees. This side. Okay. It reaches there very quickly. A little overshoot, as you can see in the thermometer. Let's see if it corrects. Okay, it seems to get to 320 more or less. Yeah, near spot on. Okay, for me, I think this is close enough. Let's move on. I just did some tests. The thermometer is cooling off. As you can see, it's 51 degrees right now. So what I will do now is power the SAG-55 again. Okay. And let's see how much time it takes to reach the 300 degrees. As we power, as you can see, it immediately heats up and it will go to 80 degrees. So this is the minimum. It will power off around 80 degrees. It says 75, but it should be around that. Okay, let's wait a bit.
A few moments later.
Okay, so right now it's on standby. And I will press any key and we will record how much time it will take to reach the 300 degrees. Okay, you have it on the screen. It's adjusting, stabilizing the temperature, but you have on the screen the time it took. Very nice. In my hand I have two heat shrinking sleeves. Let's try to use the SAG-55 in this to shrink it. So let's see how much time it will take. Yeah, seems to be working quite well. Okay, we have another one. I'm always using the 10 as airflow speed. We can increase that also, but it seems that is not necessary. Okay, let's move on. This test is done. You can see on the screen that I already put some flux here on this IC. Let's use the key AC 55 and try to unsolder this component. This is just a board that I use for this kind of testings, nothing serious. Okay. It shouldn't take long. And yeah, I changed my hand because I work better with the right hand, and now this is removed. Okay, you can even put it back. I'm almost sure that I turned this around by mistake, but anyway. Okay, so here you have it. Worked like a charm. So let's wrap things up and see where the FNIRSI SAG-55 stands after spending some solid time with it. In terms of construction and build quality, the SAG-55 may look big at first glance, and it does feel the hand, but it's surprisingly light and the grip is actually very comfortable. The build quality feels very good overall, and if you get the premium package, the metal stand is a genuine standout. Beautifully machined and extremely stable, almost a piece of art on the workbench. Now talking a bit about features and usability. You get 20 airflow speeds, temperature control from 100 to 450 degrees, and a very simple interface that you can understand almost instantly. Everything is cleared, laid out. The buttons are responsive and switching airflow or temperature feels fast and natural. For a portable hot air gun, it brings all the essential features without unnecessary complexity. Talking about performance and practical use, the SAG-55 heats very quickly. In my tests, reached 300 degrees Celsius in just about 6 seconds, which is extremely fast for a handheld rework tool. The airflow feels consistent, the temperature readings are accurate, and it handled the heatsink shrink and IC desoldering without any trouble. Overall, it performs much closer to a bench unit than I expected, especially given the compact format. Now, if you do a price versus value analysis, as of today, the FNIRSI SAG-55 is available on the FNIRSI official store on AliExpress for 48 euros for the standard version and 58 euros for the premium version with the metal stand. That's roughly $52 for the standard and $63 for the premium version for my American friends. Considering the features, the fast heat-up time and how well it performs, the price is okay, but I was expecting to be a bit more competitive. But again, you get what you pay. So if you want quality, you can't pay it with peanuts. So overall, the SAG-55 is a well-built, feature-rich and surprisingly capable portable hot air gun that offers excellent value for money. For anyone who needs a portable rework tool or a compact alternative to a full bench station, the SAG-55 is a very compelling option. If you'd like to get one and at the same time support the channel, remember that you can do so just by using the affiliate access links in the screen or in the video description whenever you need to access AliExpress or Amazon to do your shopping. It won't cost you a cent more, but truly helps keep these reviews coming. If you enjoyed this video, please slap that like button, and if you are new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss future reviews of the latest equipment and electronics tools that every week arrive to my workbench. That's all for today. Thank you for your time and company, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and happy reworking!